Guys, we're heading down to the Victorian Christmas Market right now in Nevada City, which I'm so excited to take you guys along for. I know it doesn't look cute right now in the background, but it will in just a second. So let's go. If you're new around here, my name's Sarah and I'm so glad you're here. Also, you'll be seeing my bestie May. So you've seen her in videos before, maybe, probably at some point. But yeah, let's go. Could I do the hot toddy, please? Yes. Thank you. There's a drink. That's okay. Have you guys been hot toddy for this young lady? Perfect. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Cheers. Cheers. Perfect. Guys, reporting live in the wild. We have a Christmas tree on the move. Oh my god, so cute. Beautiful. I love a little sassy moment. Guys, we are in the bookstore right now and it's called Harming Books. It's really cute and kind of the bottom part is over near with the ice cream it's called. It's really good. Treats also has really good ice cream. We got some hot toddies and buttered rum or something, but really cute, and there's so many people, so yeah, but it's really adorable and love it.
Is this good? Do I need to hire?
No, it's okay. It's too high. Like right here. Guys, we're in line to get hot dogs and I can't wait, and then we're gonna get mulled wine. I'm gonna finish this and then we're gonna get hot dogs and then we're gonna get mulled wine, and it's so cute and it literally looks like Disneyland. Like if you turn this way up the street, doesn't it look like Main Street? So obsessed. And May. Just two happy girls. Yes. So cute. Oh my gosh. Yum. Okay, wait, this hot dog looks so freaking incredible.
And it smells incredible. I don't know if you noticed, but it had bacon wrapped around it.
Yeah, it's gonna be so good.
So we're fresh out. Yes.
Thank you.
It was all that hooting and hollering.
Lines are busting out the door. Christmas songs in every store. Can't stand to hear one more. Please won't you make it stop? Snow's piled 5 feet high. Dog ate the pecan pie. Hurry up, store-bought is mine. Christmas time again. They say it's so pretty that time in New York City. I say cold and gritty, packed in like sardines. Got a flat on the interstate. Mama warned me, don't be late. Pretty please save me a plate. Christmas time again.
have a favorite?
Honestly, just like the fact that
I know. It is kind of wild, actually.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights.
Guys, well, there's a little bit of a break in the noise. I wanted to tell you I am downtown historic Auburn right now, which is directly on my way home from Tahoe, and it's like 12:30, but I had time to stop, so I wanted to show you guys a little bit of downtown. And also, I haven't been here in years and it's so stinking cute, so I will show you some clips. It's like decorated for Christmas right now, such a vibe. But I just stopped by this store called the Silver Store that I used to go to like when I was like 12, 13 with my soccer team, and it's a silver store, and I got these rings and I love them. They're so cute. These rings on this hand are kind of a little bit of like a play on To the Stars That Listen and the Dreams That Are Answered. I thought it was really cute, like from Akatar. So that's what these are. And then I just really liked this guy. Okay guys, I hope you had the most fun at the Victorian Christmas Market in the first half of this video. I know that I did. It was such a great time. I'll have everything linked down below. It's in Nevada City. It is like a huge thing, and people travel from all over to come see it. I'm so sorry if I didn't do the best capturing all of the video from it, but I really was trying to live in the moment, be with my friend, and also like enjoy the market and capture it for you guys. It was incredibly fun, and I want to say that like while that is half of the holiday spirit for me and half of the holiday fun, the second half of this video means more to me than any holiday market ever could, and I hope that you guys will join me in doing some giving back this holiday season. This half of the video is going to be kind of hopefully to inspire other people to do the same, and also just kind of show you that there's really easy, simple ways to get involved in giving back and, you know, pouring love and holiday spirit directly into the community. And there's a few different ways that I'm doing that this year and that I try and do every year. Right now I have my computer open, and it's open to the Wreaths Across America page, and every year, if you're unfamiliar, it's where people go and put wreaths on soldiers' graves, like service members' graves, and you can sponsor wreaths, and they're $17 each. So right now I'm going to purchase 2 of them, and it's early enough that it should go towards this year's wreaths, and I just think it's a really cool organization. There's a bunch of different ways you can donate. They have reoccurring sponsorships. They have, like, you could just buy individual wreaths. You can just sponsor an amount, whatever you want to do. Everything that I talk about in this video will be linked down below. And, you know, these are things that are important to me, but definitely find things that matter to you and are close to your heart. And then you can, you know, participate, whether that's a monetary donation, a donation of your time, or, you know, awareness, posting on social media, like just getting, there's so many different ways to participate in donating this holiday season. It doesn't have to be financially, you know, obviously that really helps a lot of organizations, but you can donate your time, you can donate your efforts, you know, that kind of stuff. But anyways, enough yapping from me. Let's go ahead and purchase some wreaths. I'm gonna do 2. I have quite a few organizations that I am doing things for this year, so I kind of want to spread the holiday cheer a little bit. So I'm gonna do 2 wreaths, which comes out to about $35 before, I don't know if there's tax, but let's do it together. So you can choose where you want your wreath to go. There's a list of cemeteries that are accepting donations, and I was going to do it for the local one that I'm going to participate at, but we were way over the goal. So I found one that was way under the goal, and I'm going to donate here. So they're still looking for 6,733 more wreaths, so I'm going to do my donations to here because they are below their goal. and I think that's a really good way to help. Here's some options, and I'm going to continue the rest on my own because I'm going to have to enter my card and all that, but I just wanted to show that there is a lot of options to customize your donations to the things that matter to you. Guys, come with me to Wreaths Across America this morning, where we are going to lay wreaths on service members' graves. It's one of the charities that I donated to this year, but I'm going to take you along for the actual like in-person part of it that you can participate in if you want. So this is honestly one of my favorite activities all holiday season. It just like is so special. So let's go.
Hey, help! Oh! Well, hey! Order! Color! Colors! Hey, and color! Tap.
Guys, I'm about to drop off my remainder of the Toys for Tots toys, so I have them laid out. I'm going to put them back in the bag, but I have some board games and some just like party games that are good for all ages. So I've already dropped off like a good bunch of stuff, but they're due tomorrow, so this is the last bunch, and let's go drop this off. Also, total side note, but isn't this rug the cutest thing ever? It's getting dark outside, but it's so cute. All right, I'm gonna put this stuff back in. Let's go drop it off. Also, my tree is looking cutie.